traders, I've been working on some new indicators, right? So let me show you what I've got here. You can see these buy and sell signals on the 2-minute chart above. And down the bottom here, we have these zones. All right, we have these green and red zones. This is a 1-hour chart down the bottom. I'm going to double click in the indicator because we don't need to see the actual chart. And then we can reduce that down there. And then we're going to be trading on the 2-minute time frame. 1 hour below, 2 minute above. Thing is though, you want volatility. And I'll show you how we can sort that out. Gold's a good one. I think silver's a good one. But here's the thing. If we go to MATAF, sign up, it's free. Go over to the left, select Forex, go down to Trading Tools, and you'll find here this Forex volatility. Click that. And over here on the right, you can include and exclude a whole bunch of stuff. Quite easy. If you want to get rid of it, just click it and it'll disappear out of there like that. So on the chart down here, we have this thing, and you can click on the percentage. You want to find volatility or pips, okay? Percentage is good. So if you click that, it'll bring the highest percent of volatility instrument to the top. So we got XAG silver with the US dollar. Silver with the yen. Okay, silver's pretty volatile. Absolutely. Gold, as you scroll down, okay, silver and gold. So we could trade all of these pairs. In the currencies, we've got the Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. All right, so these are the most volatile at the moment. So on any given day, we look for these. We select the top few. Let's just check out the, I don't know, Aussie yen. Well, we don't click it here. Okay, so we select the first, say, 4 or 5, and then we go to the chart and we set up our alerts here. Okay, we make a selection over in the alerts over here. The currency pairs. And then we come in and we just set this up at the beginning of the day. You want the alert on this indicator. So click the 3 dots, add alert. It's pretty simple. It's just any alert, and you want this to make a bit of noise, and then create. Click on, whichever ones of these you want the alert on, and that's all set up. So when the alert fires, I'll show you what happens next. All right, we come into the chart, reset the chart view. There's a green one. All right, let's go back. Now, what's this? The Aussie yen. And I'll mark up these points of interest on this chart because we want to trade it on the chart above. So we're going to mark up the 1 hour under here, and above here we have a 2-minute. You can play around with a 2-minute, 5-minute, but we mark up, okay, point of interest there. Right, we want the end of this red and green zone, the end of the zone. Go back and we'll have a look and see what these look like on the 2-minute chart. So we've got a couple of signals here that we could test. So that's done. Oh no, we just drop that down out of the way, and then on the 2-minute we can go back in time. Now this one back here, what's that? 25th of December, 2300. Oh, that's Christmas. We won't do that one. 30th of December, 1 a.m. Okay, let's go there. December the 30th, that's a Monday at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Go to on the 2-minute chart. Point of interest is right here. Now, on the chart below, the signal that flashed here, the alert that flashed was a red alert. So what we are looking for is the next red sell signal after the alert fires on this chart down in here, right? So that's it. So how do you get that? You'd simply come up here, you go to Trend Channel version 12, you click the 3 dots, add alert, and we want a sell signal. Once per bar close, create. That's it. You can set these to go off on your phone, sit back and wait for these to come in. So when that comes in, simply come in here, 2-minute chart, and where's the alert? There. Okay, sell on the next candle or something like that. Go for a 2-hour target, and then the other thing to do is, while it's traveling under this red line up here, you stay in it until it trades into the red line, if you like. All right, so that's a 1.996. Tighten up your stop, something like that. 2-hour target, right? Next one is the 30th at 1. No, which one's this? Yeah, that was that one. So the next one's a buy opportunity, 31st of December at 2. Let's just see if we can scroll across to it. All right, here it is. That's our buy opportunity. So the signal fires at the end of this green zone under here, and we look for the next buy signal. So the end of the green zone, we've got to be precise with this, is actually here. That's it there. That's the end of the green zone. All right, see that? Down the bottom, moving. Okay, so that's it there. So we're ignoring this. This is the buy signal we want. It's got to be at the end of the green zone. So we enter long. After the buy signal, we go long. That's it. 2R target by default. Nice. And we just stay in it. It's a 2-minute chart. You can sit and watch it. And you can exit whenever these candles, if they turn, actually use the trend bars, right? When the trend bars turn white or red, something like that, you can bail. Anyway, let's check out the next signal. The next signal is a red signal, and this one was on the 6th of January at 7 a.m. So up here, go to 6th of January, 7 a.m. 7. Guys, this is going to be available to my VIP members who are subscribing to indicators. Look at this. Right, 6th of January, sell. I'm going to make this available very shortly, probably in the next week or so. I've just got to sort out a couple of bugs, and then we're away. We sell, set a 2R target, and a tight stop. Now look, if you want to work out your stop, just go to the next candle high, swing, and then set it for 2R by default. There's your 2R there. And, the other thing is you can trail it if you want to and stay in it. There's other things. We've got other indicators you can use. Let's have a look at another one quickly. Let's have a look at, look at this XAG. Silver is pretty volatile. Gold is pretty volatile. Any of these currency pairs, the pound, dollar. Let's have a look at gold. Go down to gold. Okay, here we are on gold, and we're looking for, well, there's a green one there. A couple of red ones. Did that mark up? Yeah. Let's have a look and see what these look like. That'll do. Go back to this green one. What's that? 31st of December at 2. So we go to the 2-minute chart, 31st of December, 2 a.m. That's a Tuesday at 2. Go to. So we're looking for any buy signal at the end of this green zone down the bottom here. Right? The nearest buy signal, well, it's actually already fired. So we could just jump into that trade long. Long position right there. Perfect. And that was quite nice. Next one, what's this? 3rd of Jan. Go to 11 a.m. 3rd of Jan. I think most of these are going to work out quite well. The couple of them will probably fall over, but the majority are going to give you a positive outcome. So what have we got here? So this is, we're looking for the next sell signal. There it is here. So these two sell signals, we want to get involved with that at the end of, well, precisely at the end of that red zone. And that's here, short position. Now, and you can see the outcome. The next one is, we could scroll over to it. Right, the next sell signal, okay, that fired here. We missed that one, so we'll let it go because the sell signal actually kicked in before the red zone here. Actually, let's have a look. Yeah, well, the red zone kind of kicked off. The end of the red zone kicked off here. I still have to talk to my developer because I'm not sure when these alerts are firing. Are they firing at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the zone? So that will be something I need to follow up. Okay, move across, and the next one is over here. All right, that's you can see the yellow line moving under. All right, so the red zone, at the end of the red zone is here. So we're looking, well, perfect. Look at this. We've got the fib pullback here. Retrace, short position on the pullback into the fib 50%. If it trades with speed like that, you don't want to be chasing that. But if it pulls back, then, you can get involved, definitely. 2R target by default. What do we got? Stop loss. If you want to know where to put the stop loss, grab this indicator here, and you want the stop loss to be, well, in the cloud. I guess that's in the cloud. Previous high, something like that. That's 1.79. But look, follow it until this green, okay, buy signal kicks in down here. Okay, that could be your exit point. That's fine. Even if it's 1.5R, that doesn't matter. But it's a 2-minute chart. You can stay in it and follow it. And if you want to, you can pull your stop loss to break even and sit on it and go for a 3 or 4R target. It's up to you. Anyway, that's a bit of a sneak preview, guys, of mainly this guy here with the buy and sell signals, and under here, these red and green zones. It's early days with it. Experiment. You might be better off on a 1-minute chart above. No, experiment. I've got it on a 1 hour down here. And a 2-minute, we could look at a 4-hour and a 5-minute, play around, backtest. I'm going to make it available probably within the next week. Anyway, guys, we have something really worthwhile here. So stick around and reap the benefits. To be continued.